Preparing for the hereafter. This life is short, but the hereafter is forever. The Quran reminds us, and the hereafter is better and more lasting. We spend years preparing for jobs, exam, or marriage. But how much do we prepare for our meeting with Allah? The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lived each day with akhirah in mind. Simple deeds, a sincere prayer, a hidden charity, a kind word become eternal treasure. Islam teaches us to live with purpose and die with peace. Let's not be fooled by this world. The real success is not in wealth or fame, but in standing before Allah with a clean heart. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.